Kidak kishin jongjing orpat ke parti kongres kila pau shenna tengkren mentaga sengi ke Patrick unailor arjar puai hadian bagi MLA ke parti narilum garo hapo ke jingilam jong Dr. Mukul Sangma ki klemwan bani don benta mensaki ya ke program shimti uba Vincent H. Pala ya ke kam kumu presiden betumai ke Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee nalor ki MLA narilum garo ki MLA narilum khasi jantia ki bom shimla poi hakani ke sengi ki kintop ya uba Charles Pengrop bat uba Piti Sokme uba Vincent H. Pala bakran lor ke jingpep bawan ki MLA ke Kongres narilom garo ong imat ke jingba medon nang ringkat Dr. Mukul Sangma kadai namar bo tonat ya uni unong yalamu bederu MP ke parti Shalok Sabha la pentikna bo unsalet bani kendo hi markmat bo Dr. Mukul pan penbet iki kenrum kenram.
We'll take Dr. Mukul in confidence. I know, frankly speaking, there's nothing to hide. He doesn't come here, maybe he's not happy with me, but I'll take him to confidence. As long as humanly possible, I'll do my job.
Dr. Mukul Sangma does not like you. What is the reason?
No, it's not a question of doesn't like. He doesn't come here today. It may be, I said, it may be. I want to be transparent in my journey. I don't want to hide the truth. I want to be transparent in my journey because I know the people of Meghalaya is not full. Even I try to hide here, I try to hide there. That's why I think it's my job. I'll go and meet him. I'll take the guidance of the general secretaries and the in charge. I'll take the guidance of Dr. Celestine Longdoa and many others. I'll definitely meet him. I've just joined today. Actually, as soon as my appointment was announced, I flew all the way from Delhi to Shillong. Me and along with Dr. Bomb, I wanted to meet him, but it was an assembly session, so he cannot. At the same time, me also, as my children are studying outside, I need to get my visa done, interview done, fingerprint done, so I went back to Delhi. Then after that I came back here, I tried to meet him again, assembly sessions was there. I could not meet him, but I need also to see all the preparations, people coming all over the state should come here, so we were busy. So definitely it's my job, I'll try to meet him. He used to be a dear friend of mine, a senior leader. It may not be against me, it may be against him also, it may be against anybody also. So definitely we'll see. It's too early to say, but his absence today, I think I should be transparent to everybody. Maybe then it's my job, I'll do. But I always consider him as the boss in the party and as a friend. You know, legislators in Garhul's, mainly Mukul's family and friends and all the Congress who were there. So naturally, if he's not there, others will not there. And this is an open fight. So I think that the other day Marthan Sangma came, today Deborah came. So I think there must be something. That's why I told you that we will try to see that things are in order. And definitely, maybe at the beginning, that's why we need negotiations with friends. I think definitely that's not a new thing. MLAs will come and go. But when we go there, I'll not go as an MP, I'll go as a congressman. When I call them, I'll not call them as an MLA only, I will call them also as a congressman. So Congress is within the family. So we call them as a Congress workers, as a Congress within family. I think there should be no problem of working as a family and as a Congress. Definitely, I have to have a priority. Normally, my state is my priority. And as an opposition, I don't have much work in Delhi also. I may miss a few meetings or less important meetings. I may miss a few meetings, but I will concentrate in the state more than in Delhi. So I have to know my priority and work out in such a way my Delhi work will not be hampered and my state work will not be hampered. But I'm confident, you see, we work as a team, I'm not alone. We have the district level, the block level and the polling stations level and the team in the party, an executive committee, different committees. I think that should not be a problem. I have to only work harder than usual. I think that should not be a problem.
Will you lead the government if Congress secures majority? Will you lead the government?
Definitely, boss, we'll secure majority. No doubt. In the next government, even whatever you say, we are targeting the 2023, next government will be secure absolute majority.
Will you be the CM? Question you are not answered. Will you lead the government?
Or lead the government?
Yeah.
You know, man proposes, God disposes.
What does it mean?
Means that when we cross the bridge, you see, a chief minister post is one post. The chief minister is one post. We have very competent people competent MLAs among us. I think it is wrong to project myself because there are many other people as good as me or better than me. So I don't think that it is right. Normally a Congress, we don't project the Chief Minister in advance. We will see when we cross the bridge. Then only we'll see, then only we'll select. There will be a CLP who will elect the leader. So we'll follow that process, we'll not break that process. So there's no doubt about that. The Congress has a system and will follow the system. And a man like him will take a call who should be the leader.
As the president of the state, it is his duty. He will go and meet each and everyone.
No, I'm saying about you.
If given a chance, I'll also go. No problem.
And how do you see the upcoming election,
Upcoming elections, see, you know how the government is performing.
But with so much of differences,
No. Differences.
Such an important,
there are no differences. You need to understand one thing. Dr. Mukul is the CLP of our party. He is almost as tall a leader as anybody else in the entire northeastern state. So there is nothing against that. So Balaji and Mukulji, both are our leaders. They'll be working together in the interest of the party and the interest of the state.
So such an important program of the party, he's missing and he's not part of it. And not only him, a few of his,
People miss out sometimes. People are not well. Sometimes during COVID or something else. That's okay. But they're part of the family.
Not the whole thing bang.
No, that's okay. That's okay.